a review of my fire alarm collection. I'll probably show you the fire alarm collection. Once again, I got new devices. I got the Firelight BG12. I'm actually gonna have this on the supply. Sorry guys. I'm gonna hide the new devices. Since the devices are really nice. Alright, then two Edwards posters I still don't have enough. Hey Connor! Integrities and just a simplex teapot, even though the key does work on this. And I do have but here's the integrities. I did find a difference between these two. This one actually has red stripes, this one has the original silver stripes. The integrities, the difference, this one has like a tanner color and this one has a whiter color. And let's watch the other one. You have to push and pull down, it takes longer. Plus they sound different. Probably because they're newer. Time to set this one. Wait. Okay. And the key does work to this one.